Hello dear students, welcome to Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 6 computer science video lectures of chapter 10 Introduction to Flash CS6 part 3. Students, in the previous videos of this chapter we have learnt about various tools provided by the Flash CS6. Okay? Now in this video we are going to cover up coloring tools, eraser tool and text tool. So students, now we will start with our next tool, which is coloring tools. Coloring tools are used to fill the colors in the shapes or objects. Students, we use the coloring tools to fill the color in the objects and shapes in the Flash. Okay? Various coloring tools available in Flash CS6 are as follows. First tool we have brush tool. It is used to draw brush like strokes and allows you to paint an object with the desired color. Okay? So, by using the brush tool you can fill the color in any shape. It is just like the brush tool you have used in paint software. Student, the brush tool is same like as the brush tool that you have used in the paint software. Okay? Next, to use the brush tool, follow the given steps. First step, select the brush tool. A drop down menu appears by clicking on its hidden arrow. Students, we know the brush tool is available in the tools panel. So, we have to click on the brush tool, then we have to click on the drop down arrow. Next, select the type of brush like spray brush tool and brush tool. Okay? So, here we have two type of brush tool, spray brush tool and the brush tool. Next, now drag the pointer on the stage and fill the shape by using brush. Here students, you can see this is your shape that I have drawn in this Flash stage. Okay, and here we have the brush tool. So, we have to click on this brush tool and then we have to select the color from this color tool. Okay, then you can fill the color using the brush tool in this shape. Okay, so this is the example of brush tool, and student, this is the example of filling color by using the spray brush tool. Okay, so here you can see in the brush tool we have a hidden drop down arrow, and when you click on the drop down arrow you can see the two type of brush tool and another one is the spray brush tool. Okay, so when you select the spray brush tool, this is the view of the filling color by using the spray brush tool. Okay students, now we will move to our next tool, which is paint bucket tool. It is used to fill enclosed area of an object with the selected color in a single click. Okay, so paint bucket tool is used to fill an enclosed area, or you can say to fill a shape with the color. Okay, so it has two options. First we have paint bucket tool and next we have ink bottle tool. Okay, so to use the paint bucket tool, follow the given steps. First step is click the drop down arrow of paint bucket tool. Next, select the type of tool you want to use. Suppose select paint bucket tool. Okay, so here we have two options, paint bucket tool and the ink bottle tool. Okay, you can choose any option here. I will choose the paint bucket tool. Next, click the fill color tool to select the color of your choice. Okay, so here now we have to choose the color that you want to fill in your shape or object. Next, click inside the object to fill color. Okay, so now we have to click inside the object to fill color in the object. Okay students, let's see. Here students, you can see I have already drawn a shape in this stage area. Okay, so now we have to click on this paint bucket tool. Then we have to select the color, okay, and then we have to click inside the shape. Okay, so here you can see student, I have selected the blue color and here you can see the blue color has been filled inside the shape. Okay, so this is the way how to use paint bucket tool in the Flash. Now we will move to our next tool, which is eraser tool. It helps you to erase lines from the drawing or part of the drawing. So students, whenever you want to remove any part of your drawing or any line from your drawing, then you can use the eraser tool. To use the eraser tool, follow the given steps. Now we will see the steps how to use the eraser tool. First step is select the eraser tool. Next, click and drag it on the object to erase. Here students, you can see this is your Flash interface and here I have already drawn a shape. and here you can see student, this is your eraser tool. Okay. So to erase any part of the object, first we have to click on the eraser tool, this is your eraser tool, and then we have to erase the part of object using the mouse. Okay. So here you can see student, this is the white area that I have erased using the eraser tool. Okay students. Now we will move to our next tool, which is text tool. Text tool is used to type the text on the flash stage. You can add text in your drawing animation by using text tool. So students, by using the text tool, you can add text in your animation or in your drawing. Okay. Now we will see, to use the text tool, follow the given steps. Okay. So now we will see the steps how to use text tool in the flash. First step, select the text tool. Next, change the color, style and font of the text. So students, here we have different option to change the text style, color and font. Next, click on the stage and drag the cursor to draw a text box. So students, here you will see, when you click on the text tool, a text box will appear on your stage area. Okay, and here you can move your text box using the mouse. Next, type in the text box to add text in the drawing. So if you want to add text in your drawing, then you have to click inside the text box and start typing the text in the text box. Okay, let's see. When I click on the text tool, here you can see this is your text tool T. You have to click on this. Then the text box has been inserted in your stage area. Okay, this is your text box. You can move your text box using the mouse. Okay, and if you want to write any text in the stage area, then you have to click inside the text box. Okay, and you can write anything using the keyboard. Okay, so this is the way how to insert text in your animation using the Flash CS6. Okay students, now we will see the practical of each tool one by one. Okay. To see the practical, first we have to open the Flash software. For this we have to click on the start button, all programs, then Adobe Master, and here we have to click on the Adobe Flash Professional CS6. Okay. Then your Flash software will be start on your computer screen. Okay. Here we have to click on the file, new, ActionScript 3.0 and OK. Okay. So this is the stage area of your Flash screen. So here first we will see the practical of coloring tools. For this I have select here a shape to be drawn on the stage area. So here I have click on the rectangle tool and choose the color for the shape, then stroke size. Now I will draw a shape of pentagon on the stage area. Okay. Now we will use the brush tool. Click on it and here you can see we have two options, brush tool and the spray brush tool. So first we will select the brush tool, then choose the color. Okay. So here I have choose the pink color and using the mouse you can fill the color inside the shape. Okay. Now we will see the another tool, which is spray brush tool. So again we have to click on the brush tool and now we have to select the spray brush tool. Click on it and now we will choose the color for the spray brush tool to fill the color. So here I have choose the red color. Now here you can see the icon of the spray brush tool. So using the mouse you can fill the color inside the shape with the spray brush tool. Okay. So you can see student, the color has been sprayed in the object using the spray brush tool. Now we will see the next practical, which is the practical of paint bucket tool. Okay. For this we have to create a shape in the stage area. So first we have to select any shape. Here I have choose the oval shape. Now I have select the color. Now I will draw the shape in the Flash area. Okay. So now I will choose the paint bucket tool. Now I will choose the color to fill inside the shape. Okay. Now we have to click inside the shape and here you can see the student, the yellow color has been filled in the shape. Okay. Now we will see the practical of the eraser tool. For this we have to click on the eraser tool. This is your eraser tool, click on it. Okay. Now using the mouse you can erase the part of your drawing on the stage area. Okay. So you can see all the drawing has been erased from your stage area using the eraser tool. Okay students, so this is the way to erase anything from your drawing in the Flash using the eraser tool. Now we will see our next practical, which is the practical of text tool, how to insert text in the Flash. Okay. For this we have to click on the text tool. When you click on the text tool, your text box has been inserted in your stage area. Okay. So to insert the text, you have to click inside the text box and you can start writing, and here you can see different styles option for your text. We have font family, we have styles, size of text, color of text. Okay. So you can easily change the style of your text by selecting these style options. Okay. So here I will type computer science. So this is the way to add text in your drawings. Okay students. So now we will see some shortcut keys that you can use in your Flash CS6. Okay. So the shortcut keys for some tools are as follows. First we have selection tools. For the selection tools you can use the V shortcut key. Next we have brush tool. To use the brush tool you can press the B key, which is the shortcut key for the brush tool. Next, for the paint bucket tool you can use the shortcut key K. Next, to use the ink bottle tool you can use the shortcut key S. Okay. So these are some shortcut keys that you can use in the Flash CS6. Okay students. So I hope you have understood all the topic that we have seen today. So thank you students. Have a nice day.